my first quarantine vlog. So I know I look kind of crazy because I took my hair out of bun and I just didn't want to do nothing with it. I was gonna braid it, but this is what y'all getting for now. I'm sitting in front of my door, which is why it's so loud, because it's mad windy. It is Friday and it's like 7 o'clock. Obviously we're stuck in quarantine, so that doesn't even mean nothing. Yesterday I just kind of decided, or it might have been the day before yesterday, I just decided that I want to drop a bag and I'm going to fix my teeth. I think we're gonna do it. So yesterday I ordered the smiledirectclub impression kit thing. It was like $30, but I think they give the money back to you after you send the kit back. So it came really quick. Obviously I ordered it yesterday, probably like 3-ish in the afternoon, and it got here like 2 in the afternoon. So literally less than 24 hours. It was so quick. I'm about to show y'all the box. Here's the box that came in the mail. So it just says smiling is contagious, join the club. Yeah, and then it just comes with like this little booklet that just kind of tells you everything about like the process, and then it comes with this little paper. And then here's what came in the box. So I have the sticker to put on the package when I mail it back, and then 2 gray putties and 2 purple putties, and then these mouth things, and then it says lift here, and then it comes with another set because you have to send them like 4. So I'm gonna vlog while I do this. So at the bottom they give you a pair of gloves, and then they give you this smile stretcher to help you take pictures of your teeth. So that's that. I just realized I forgot to show y'all my teeth before, so here's my teeth. So I have like an overbite, and then so I have this tooth that's like, it started growing in before my baby tooth fell out, so it's like all the way behind here, and then my bottom row is just kind of like slanted down. So yeah, that's what's wrong with my teeth. If this tooth wasn't so far back, I honestly might have considered not doing my teeth because my bottom row is crooked, but I don't really care that much. So it's mainly this tooth, because then when I smile, I guess I technically have like a crossbite on this side. Sorry about this angle. But so you just gotta take one of the purples and then one of the gray, and you have to like mix them together or like roll them together. You're supposed to just like fold it over each other for 30 seconds. So then you roll it into like a worm. I don't know what this is called. Like that, you just roll it and then you put it in the tray, stick it in there. Here's what it looks like. I feel like I'm a dentist right now. Okay, so here's my first one. I did my top teeth. You can definitely see the tooth that's like too far behind. Wait, this is kind of cool. Okay, so here's my top teeth. So I left it in for 2.5 minutes. That was kind of fun. So now I'm just gonna do that again on my top teeth and then twice on my bottom row. I feel like I did this one better because it's like more in the tray. But okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna play a song so I know when 2.5 minutes is done. Lately I've been obsessed with Tory Lanez's album. I'm done with the impressions. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna hurry up. I'm just gonna put this in my mouth and take 3 pictures, one from the front, one like of my bottom teeth, and one of my top teeth, and that's it. That's literally it. So, and also this is supposed to go in my mouth, so let's see how stupid I look. I'm not showing you guys. That's done. I'm gonna like figure out what I want to do. I haven't like 100% decided if I want to buy these. So it's 9 o'clock. I did not know it was so late. I braided my hair. Just spent like 15 minutes trying to get the perfect snap video. I'm such a perfectionist, and this is why I always delete my stories after like 20 minutes that they're up, because I'm just like, it has to be perfect every time. So I literally just spent 15 minutes trying to get it. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is not even the part of the song that I wanted, but let me show y'all. I'm trying not to show y'all my story. Literally, this video took me 15 minutes. So, also, look at my background. It's so cute. It's Nicki and Nas. But yeah, for the rest of the night, I'm really just gonna be chilling. I should have vlogged earlier. I was doing homework, even though that's not really interesting either. If this is the end, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna keep vlogging this whole Smile Direct Club journey. So, subscribe if you wanna see what happens. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Check out my social media in the down bar, and yeah, bye guys.
Rule number 1 to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friends and make them yes men.